Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA, where we regularly update our viewers about the Indian defense news and associated countries around the world. A new assessment of Russia's military capabilities on the front line estimated that its forces were taking down about 10,000 Ukrainian drones every month through a combination of hard kill and electronic warfare system. Electronic warfare is a critical component of Russia's tactics and contributing to the staggering losses of Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles. The Russia report said that along the 750 miles of the conflict's front line, Russia has maintained a major electronic warfare system roughly every 6 miles. In the early months of Russia-Ukraine war, Bayraktar TB2 drones were held as Ukraine's savior. However, years later, nearly all of them are believed to have been shot down by Russian forces. The remaining killer drones are now reduced to reconnaissance duties. Coming to our neighborhood, Pakistan has also maintained a considerable inventory of Chinese drones for military use, which are now being used for dropping narcotics and weapons in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. The rapid growth of drone sightings suggests that drones have emerged as a new strategic tool used by Pakistan to gain an advantage in the border conflict with India. Drones are also increasingly a tool of choice for border terrorist organizations and Pakistan-backed proxies in India. Pakistan has been a quick mover in the drone race with India. Pakistan was the fourth country in the world after the United States, United Kingdom, and Israel to successfully deploy an unmanned combat aerial vehicle in an active operation. Pakistan is a heavy importer of military UAVs from China and Turkey. These includes C-4 and Wing-Lung UAVs from China and Bayraktar Akinci UAVs from Turkey. Though India has an impressive list of state-of-the-art air defense systems to counter the threat from medium altitude and high altitude long endurance drones, the real threat would be from kamikaze drones as exhibited in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. Coming back to the menace of drones on India-Pakistan border, emerging anti-drone technology could give a tactical and strategic advantage to India vis-a-vis Pakistan. Small drones, which are low-flying, are generally difficult to detect by radars and traditional air defense systems. Counter-unmanned aircraft systems technology can neutralize enemy drones with soft kill as well as hard kill techniques. As India is majorly at the receiving end of drone incursions, investment in counter-drone systems will be more practical. Soon, we could see sophisticated Chinese drones are being used by non-state actors in Kashmir and along the international border. The security establishments in India need to be wary of this potential threat, and the deployment of counter-drone technology that are indigenously developed is the need of the hour. India's DRDO and other defense startups has recently developed, successfully tested and handed over a D4 counter-drone systems to the Indian Army. India has developed a Sanyukta electronic warfare system which is jointly developed by Army and DRDO. It is a complex ground-based mobile EW systems for tactical operations. The system is configured on 145 vehicles for deployments in an area of 100 km by 70 km for surveillance, interception, direction finding and jamming of various communications and radar signals. As the drone incursions increased manifold, India should learn from the Russian tactics to deploy the counter-drone system in the international border as well as along the northern frontiers, as we are in a state of undeclared war propagated by Pakistan and the Chinese army. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and write your views and suggestions in the comments box. Jai Hind.